If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Outlook can convert an entire folder of mail messages in the Outlook for Microsoft 365 desktop app into one searchable portfolio PDF file. To convert all messages within a standard Outlook for Microsoft 365 mail folder to PDF, click the Selected Folders button in the Convert button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon. Then choose the Create New PDF command from the drop-down menu. In the Convert Folders to PDF dialog box that appears, select the mail folder or folders to include in the portfolio PDF file. To also convert all subfolders of selected folders during the conversion, check the Convert this folder and all subfolders checkbox. If you cannot convert the contents of a folder in this list, it appears grayed out. After making your selections, then click the OK button. Alternatively, to convert the email messages within a search folder in the Outlook for Microsoft 365 desktop app into a PDF, right-click the search folder. Then choose the Convert Folder Name to Adobe PDF command from the pop-up menu that appears. After doing either task, the Save Adobe PDF File As dialog box appears. Select where to save the new PDF file. Depending on your application and email settings, you may have to give access to your email application. When you click the Save button, the new PDF portfolio is generated and opens in Acrobat. Alternatively, you can also append folders into existing PDF portfolios. Note that appending a folder into an existing PDF portfolio for the same folder doesn't create duplicate messages in the PDF portfolio. Acrobat only appends new messages to the PDF portfolio. To append a selected folder to an existing PDF portfolio, click the Selected Folders button in the Convert button group of the Acrobat tab in the ribbon to show the 5 most recently accessed PDF portfolios appear at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Then click the name of the PDF portfolio to which to append the content to open the Convert Folders to PDF dialog box, where you can then select the folders to append and click the OK button to finish. Alternatively, to append to a portfolio not shown in the drop-down menu, select the Append to Existing PDF command instead to open the Convert Folders to PDF dialog box. Then select the folders to append and click the OK button in this dialog box to then open the Select PDF File to Append dialog box. Then navigate to and select the PDF portfolio into which to append the selected folder content. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to append the folder into the selected PDF portfolio. Note that Outlook for Microsoft 365 may not convert some types of Outlook items using these methods. If needed, you can manually convert these types of unconverted items to PDF by using the Adobe PDF printer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.